Fawz Center, a subsidiary of Direct Aid Ghana, as usual of their activities every Eid-ul-Adha, has donated fresh cow meat to the people of Central and Western region respectively. The donation is in line with their mantra of providing for the less privileged and people who are in need, especially during the festive season. 43 cows were provided by the center by giving out coupons. Selected families from Western and Central region were treated with delight. About 1,190 families benefited from this gesture, from Kasua, Cape Coast, and all the way from Takoradi. Muaz Okasha is the Central Regional Director of Direct Aid Ghana.
Because we are happy that we give you this gift. It's just gifts of humanity and of brotherhood. We are all brothers. As Muslim or Christian, we are all brothers in humanity, and we want to help as much as we can the Ghanaian society, and with good relationship with the MC and with all the offices, we are trying to help the country, inshallah.
The ceremony was also graced by Honorable Solomon Apia, Municipal Chief Executive Officer of Commander Edina Egwafo Abrim, KEEA.
May a Muslim come from Suleiman. Allah, I came here last Maba, and I eat at house Maba. And maybe you're not Minister for Fishes, you're a meeting online. And so maybe I'm a minister about to meet to become a food that the man is she and you know my mess. And I'm Abba. Now, all you can, I am a dog there. Direct Aid, and I chief imam, the Muslim, but one of the missions you have about it. Islam, like Christianity, I'm giving, or Adha, Yaku policy, Allah, also there. Inshallah, a mom. Now, I'm giving you there, Islam is not about. Kids are for sure, Mama. It's the man be a year, Master, 6 youth. The Islam or your religion or your basabasa. One poor basabasa, one poor a teacher. Or Islam, or Islam, you ma papa paze. And the teacher some Conado or Mobu. Where Abada. It's in the and Adha, young fathers, a son, and no butter, your Franco, your Franco Bla. We are calling young one. Oh, yeah, on Brian there, and this Kamobi. Obi, operation, no, so many be. And what time, now we are going to do money be. Oh, no.
Direct Aid Society is continuing expanding its base for all the 16 regions of Ghana to benefit from their benevolence activities.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.